Smart money is quietly circling BYND stock, and they always show up before the headlines. The charts are shifting, the volume is rising, and if you miss this window, you might regret it for years. Welcome back to Money Move IQ, the channel where smart traders get smarter and beginners become confident investors. Today we're breaking down BYND stock, not the hype, not the headlines, but the real market signals that sophisticated traders are watching right now. So here's what most retail traders completely overlook. Institutional interest shows up quietly before price action changes. And right now, BYND stock is showing three rare signals: volume shifts, unusual options activity, and early momentum divergence that usually come before major moves. Is this guaranteed? Absolutely not. But serious traders never ignore when signals align. Let's get one thing straight. BYND Meat is not just a plant-based burger company. They sit at the intersection of health trends, consumer behavior, and sustainability. A trifecta that institutions love when the numbers make sense. But the real question, can BYND survive long enough to profit from this trend? Let's break that down. Let's talk challenges, because you can't invest well without knowing the risks. BYND stock faces: 1. High operational costs. 2. Competition from cheaper plant-based brands. 3. Slowing retail sales. 4. Debt that must be managed with precision. But here's the twist. Problems don't kill a stock. Failure to adapt does. And here's what smart traders see: the turnaround window. BYND Meat is aggressively cutting costs, restructuring partnerships, and leaning heavily into food service, where margins are higher and competition is weaker. Every turnaround stock in history looked terrible right before it reversed. Look at Tesla in 2019, Amazon in the early 2000s, Netflix pre-streaming. Great trades come from seeing potential before it's obvious. This is my favorite part, the technical setup. When beaten down stocks show higher lows, stabilizing moving averages, volume spikes at key levels, smart traders take notice. This is not financial advice. This is pattern recognition. Here's something explosive. BYND has elevated short interest, meaning if one positive catalyst hits, a partnership, a strong earnings beat, or cost improvement, shorts could get trapped. And when shorts get trapped, the moves can be legendary. Let me teach you the rule that protects every trader. Never fall in love with a stock, fall in love with your strategy. BYND is a high-risk, high-volatility play. You can trade it, but you must respect it. Smart traders position size. Smart traders set stop losses. Smart traders plan before they buy. So here's the truth. BYND stock is not a guaranteed winner. But it is a setup that serious traders study closely because it contains everything that makes a powerful opportunity: risk, potential, momentum shifts, and a turnaround story. You don't need certainty to make money in the stock market. You need patterns, discipline, and timing. This is Money Move IQ, where we trade smarter, think bigger, and stay ahead of the crowd. If you want more deep dive analysis, motivational investing content, and real strategy, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Stay sharp, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next video.